Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the order of product variants on Shopify. The first thing you need to do once in your Shopify admin page, you are going to select products from the top left hand corner. And from here, you're going to be redirected to the products page, and you're going to simply tap on the product that you would like to change or rearrange the order for. Then you are going to scroll down, and once you have scrolled down, you will see options, and from here you are going to simply tap on edit. You can edit the color, as you can tap right here, and from here you will see options value, and then right where you see the 6 dots right here, you can simply tap on that, then drag it into the positions that you would like, as you can see right there, so you can put it in the order that you want. Once you are finished, you'll simply tap on done. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. If you should refresh the page and look back on this product page on your store, you will realize that the order has changed. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.